your knowledge business model, which is Divinity. Okay. So how many of you would like to, have that flow in your life as if you feel that, there is a, your business is moving in godlike mode, autopilot mode, leads are flowing through the day, sales are happening through the day, right? So whatever you desire, if that starts happening in your life, that is the, and you are peaceful, calm, joyful, more centered, have clarity that what is it that you want to do, and are you able to do that most of your time, right? So this is the stage which is about marketing. So marketing to start your business or marketing to scale your business so that it starts working in autopilot mode with the necessary digital systems and tools in place, because now you're operating like an entrepreneur who knows what to outsource and what you must do. This is the stage you need to reach, where your business gradually runs in God mode, where things starts happening on its own, right? So these are the 10 Ds that you have to apply to build your knowledge business, right? Only then you are ready to scale your business, when your knowledge business has the potential to be WWW business model, whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability. Your business will first run in autopilot mode and then in God mode if you continue to be on that journey, right? It comes with a lot of persistence, hard work, never give up attitude, and willing to take risks and investing. But good news for you is you don't have to do it alone. Okay, you have a mentor with whom you can do this if you see that potential within you, right? I am ready to give you this key to success. Are you willing to take it? Right? I am, so that you win before you begin, right? So this is the course that you have got, the foundation course, the 3 stages of knowledge business. I talk about the challenges, then how to change the game plan, and the success blueprint in the internet age, where I cover in detail 20 minutes video on the 8 pieces of digital puzzle. 3 stages: digitize, monetize, and market. If you want to build a sustainable model, most of the people are simply doing Facebook campaign, calling people for live sessions, delivering programs. That is not a business model. A business model is how will you make money? How can you be make clone yourself? Those are monetization strategy, right? So there are so many people going through my program while I am having this live session with you here, right? That's called cloning yourself, right? So that is why you can run that business single-handedly, because you've cloned yourself. You can leave your legacy on this planet, because whether you will be alive or not, your products that you created will be alive in the digital form, right? So digitize, monetize, marketing to start or marketing to scale, very different approach, right? So, but final outcome, if you do everything step by step as directed, the system works. Okay, the final outcome will be WWW lifestyle, right?